than it's originally built. You can get that weapon with a console and use that, and he has a lot of damage. And it's one-handed weapon, as I remember. So I need to be extra careful not to get ambushed again. Where did that thing come from? I mean, I was there already. How did he just appear here? Okay, he's fast. He can run like 50 kilometers per hour at least. Okay, so I had some unexpected action already. I need to locate those fallen super mutants. I struck them from there. Yeah, some fallen mutants there. Come on, so slow. Should I maybe try to make a save and load again? Because super mutants tend to disappear. I have a lot of experience with that. Okay, I can try it. No, load. Okay, some bodies got dropped. And I think I already loaded this one. Yep, so those bodies are not here. I haven't been spending too much time just in searching for bodies. I should have Malcolm do it. I mean, what is he doing? He's just carrying my stuff. He can also loot the fallen enemies. What the fuck are those things? Okay, another super mutant here. And that's the one that was... no, yeah. That is not the one that was charging me. Okay, this one is accepted. I forgot to load those two. So those are all the super mutants. I already have a lot of loot. Then again, Malcolm can carry a lot. Yeah, I don't know, I haven't fixed that, and I think he shouldn't be able to carry that much. Yeah, actually, those two are the ones that were charging me. And I was sniping from behind that house. So what I saw from here is actually what I see from here. And now, as I remember, there were some right there. I think that I should find two more. Okay, I can call Malcolm. Small thing. This direction. Okay. Still. War. And one of those houses it was full of raiders. I think I'm not ready to enter it, but then again, what will I get? It's not really worth the risk. Only if there's some bubbleheads inside, I don't know. I can try it, sure. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Okay, equipment you're using, so. No weapons. Where did you get this knife? He's just spawning them. Okay, I'm gonna drop it. Because it's a virtual knife, non-existing one. He just spawns them when he enters the combat and he's not armed with anything. I don't know why that's happening. No grenades. No mines. That would be really dangerous if I give him mines. Rambler thing. Why do I collect? Who's even buying those fingers? Come on. At such a high price. I don't need this meat actually. Okay, here I can put the ammo. Mini looks nice. I haven't registered that. So that's Behemoth had 3 of those baseball bats with same condition. What a coincidence. Grenades, I don't need those mines. And that's it. Right. And I don't need this meat. Okay, we're ready to proceed. So I don't know, should I enter that house infested with raiders? What do you say? I think this one was the one. Okay, I can try it out. Oh, Malcolm sends enemies. But he only gives it that face when I start talking to him. But no, he's fine. Yeah, I think he sends enemies. That's why he was angry. Yeah, I sense them too. Yeah, so first of all, I know they're inside this metro station. And they're also here inside, I think. I remember. Ah, damn it. Again, the condition of this weapon changed. I really need to change that. Okay, I'm gonna set it to Realty. I really need to change that, I think. Or just when I make saves to make sure I have no weapons equipped. That can save for now. Okay. So if there is a